they will give us newbies. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to just speak about many different things. As you can see, I came back after many days. I posted the picture of this tree house 2 weeks before maybe, but the thing is that I became very busy. Life doesn't stay same always. Sometimes you have free time to do many of your favorite things, and sometimes you have to look for taking care of your home, taking care of your husband and son. So this is exactly going on with me as well. You have to keep the balance in life. It doesn't mean that if I love my work, I just stay stuck with this and I forget the most important people, relations, and duties in my life. My husband, my son, my home, these are, I think, the priorities more than my hobbies and my relaxation. So, this is the reason I wanted to speak many different things in this video. I'm thinking to keep taking my channel with me while doing my homeworks as well, my daily life routines as well, and DIY videos as well. So it's really important to keep the balance in your life. So in my upcoming videos, I think I will be making two things together, DIY ideas also, along with the vlogging. So I hope you will enjoy it. I know many of you will not like these things. Most of them, they will just leave the channel maybe, or they will never like it because they are used to of my DIY videos and stuff. But that's okay, because first thing is that you have to think of yourself and you have to think for the people around you, not very far people who are your close relations actually. Many of you are used to of my DIY videos like dolls, room decor ideas, cardboard furnitures, and I really appreciate that and I really miss that work, but it's all about the time. Maybe I will find the time in between somewhere to make these videos as well, but for the time being it's easy for me to manage between small stuff of DIYs and with the vlogging of my channel. As I said, it's a hard work I have been doing for running this channel, so I don't want to leave it just like this. I think I deserve to keep working on it, either with the vloggings or with the DIY. So I know many of you will never like these things from my side because they were used to watching my DIY videos, but that's fine. It's not must that everyone around you they will like you, so you need to manage yourself. You need to give priorities to your loved ones and to yourself first. So this is what exactly I'm doing. I'm managing the time. I'm thinking what exactly is most important thing in my life. After making half of the cardboard tree, we decided to go outside because I needed some stuff from here, and this is the mall near my house, so it's much more convenient for me, and this is the most beautiful and peaceful place for me. This library, this bookstore in this mall, I just adore it. It's really very attractive and very peaceful place for me. So I normally comes here just to look around and to read some books. This is the one he was eating before also.
Don't speak, now you have to cut.
Okay, these are yellow, but I'm looking for small ones. This is maybe better. This has some small pieces. Okay, these ones. You can take this black. This black. Ask Ibrahim what one he knows.
I go out of store.
Kalbi.
Half kg.
हाफ के जी कल भी
दूसरी पार्ट में क्या 10 चावल और दो दूसरी पार्ट में क्या you know
This is up now.
Jordan population is
That one was read. Read on it if it's written flavorless.
that's not
Ibrahim, you hit on my arm again, elbow. I need heartbeat. I need heartbeat. Go this side.
okay yani.
It's okay. We try this. We try this one. ये अच्छी है कि नहीं?
टॉयलेट क्लीनर आगे लगे हुए हैं
नहीं तो ये क्यों? ये टॉयलेट क्लीनर नहीं है? तो ये अच्छे वाले नहीं है? We try this one. How she will say? Of course for the
अच्छी
publicity.
वाले दिखा दो लीफलेट
We try this.
टाइल्स के लिए वाटर में डिलीट करके यूज करवा सकते हैं टॉयलेट के लिए डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करवा सकते हैं फ्लोर क्लीनर चाहिए इसके अलावा
Take it if it doesn't remove. Heartbeat. This side we check something there. Back to home and I decided to work a little bit on this tree house. It was planned to finish it fast, but as I said, life has become very fast and very busy in these days. But it's still important to find some time for yourself, to take care of yourself, to get some time to rest so you have energy to stand up for the next day. Taking care of yourself is really important because as a woman, if you are the only one who is taking care of your home as a house lady, as a housewife, as a mother, as a wife, so it's really important to take care of yourself, of your health. So this is what I was doing previous many months. Maybe I decided to take some break, a very hard break from the YouTube videos, because I was giving a proper time to only filming the craft videos, and I was making the home messy and my cooking was going somewhere else. I have no idea that how I was doing those things. Then slowly I realized that I should give time to my home, my family, and to myself. Then I should think of these things, what I am doing as my hobby. And I'm quite enjoying these things now because I have much more time to think of it and to think of many other main important things of my life. इधर गेम शुरू हुई हुई है जैसे कैरम बोर्ड. ओके. Yeah, what? Where is it? Yeah, but they will give us new piece. Yes, but they will give us new piece. I know, that's fridge. No. I heard a lot about matcha powder, matcha tea, so I have been looking and searching for it on Google. I found a store nearby, so I decided to go there and grab one packet just to try first. And it's my first try, and I found it really tasty. The flavor is kind of, for me, it's like henna powder. You know, the Pakistan Indian people, they use this henna on their hands. The fragrance and the taste, I never tried, of course, the henna as a drink, but I found its smell and fragrance is kind of like that, but it's really tasty and healthy. I heard about it. Thank you. And this is a reason to be active for the channel and for my daily life tasks. I grab this matcha powder to feel active and healthy food. And here, when I came back home, I purchased some of the basic things, and this is a vanilla powder. I use this one a little bit for the fragrance around the home as well, and for the baking definitely. This is a glass cleaner I used. It was very bad smell of this one, so I decided to throw that away and make my own fragrance spray or air freshener. I just took plain water and I put few drops of essential oil in this. I forgot the name or the fragrance of this one essential oil. Which one is that? I have vanilla as well. So I will use the other one and just to spray it around the house to make it smell nice. One of the reason to do not make the videos permanently or on daily basis for the DIYs is because I started to enjoy my home more than other things. I feel when guests come to my home, they feel it peaceful and nice fragrance around the house. So I focus mostly on the decoration of the home, the fragrance, and for the kitchen to cook some different kind of foods, to try some different kinds of things. So this is one corner in the house which I recently decorated. This chair was somewhere else, but I put it here around this view, on the side of this view, to read some books. These books are actually I'm keeping for my son. Before, there was a time when one cardboard furniture, like one huge sofa for sitting, that video tutorial is on my channel, still available. That sofa, I still remember, I made it in I think 1 week or less. I was doing everything at that time. I was sending my son to the school, going to drop him, I was coming back to home to make breakfast and then to prepare lunch, and meanwhile I was doing that sofa furniture things, and then I was going back again to pick my son from the school, coming back home, giving him lunch, play with him, teach him a little bit, and then I started again working on my that furniture what I was doing with the cardboard. And then late night, if I have still energy, I remember that I was working till 12 midnight on these things from the morning till night. I have no idea how I was doing all of that things, and I was finishing one cardboard furniture which is really hard and sturdy, and I was using it for sitting. How I was finishing all of that in 1 week or less than 1 week. But now this tree house, it's I think now 1 month almost, and I'm not able to finish it. Everything is same, but why I'm not getting time, I have no idea. But as I said, maybe I started to realize that slow life is the best life. Maybe this is the reason that I'm enjoying now every process of everything I'm doing. I believe that whatever you do in your life, you should give your proper time, your attention, love, and care to those things. If it's home, your child, your house duties, your hobbies, anything, you should take it slowly and you should do it in a proper, lovable way. So then you will enjoy those things. And this is how exactly I'm doing now. This is the reason my videos are now slow. Process of making DIYs. I think that's how I am enjoying now the life. So let's see where I will reach with these things. Anyway, now it's night time. I will see you in the next video with some new ideas, with some new vloggings, and the rest of the finishing of this tree house, or maybe another new clip of something new DIYs. So see you. Bye.